Hello, my name is Bob Fleck. I'm the Celsa Manufacturing UK Learning and Development Manager. I've been with the company for about 14 years now. The business started in 2003, and over the last 13 years we've consistently taken in groups of young people with the target of developing them into mechanical and electrical specialists in their fields.
I started within the steel industry in 1968 and I served a mechanical apprenticeship. I was asked to join the programme because my wealth of knowledge being on site since 1968 and that the benefits that I could add to our new apprentice programme.
So we've taken in about 25 to 30 people over the last 13 years. They typically come into us either straight from school, age 16. We make about 1 million tonnes of steel a year. If the plant goes down for a minute, it costs us about £80. So if one of these young people can fix a bit of kit in that time scale, it pays for that apprenticeship hundreds and hundreds of times over. They come to us for 4 years, they develop core sets of skills, an underpinning set of knowledge, both through college providers, but more importantly through the colleagues and the mentors that they work with. And the mentors are experienced, qualified engineers and craftsmen like Bob, who love to partake and give their knowledge away as they move through to the latter end of their careers.
Obviously all these young lads are starting at different stages of their careers. Some need to go back to college to complete their PEO, which gives them the hand skills that allows them to work out on our plant. Once this is completed, then they can go on to gain their NVQ level 3, which means maintaining our plant and equipment and pieces of kit.
And linked to the NVQ3 is our partners, Training Services Wales, who kick the whole process off for us, to be honest. They do a lot of aptitude testing. They market with us in the local environment to find candidates. They do all our first phase interviewing with us. They're then involved integrally in the NVQ assessment process with Rodri Dart on site every month, working with the guys and gals completing their NVQ portfolios. So they're an integral part to the process of developing these young people. And Bob coming on stream in 18 months has transformed it from a programme that was half tidy to something that is, in my opinion personally, full tidy. The proof is in the pudding of the young people going through the apprenticeship and being snapped up into vacancies for craftspeople, whether electrical or mechanical. Yeah, long may the apprentice programme run in Celsa.
I was extremely excited to hear that we've won this award, and I find it extremely rewarding for all these young people.
I think it's part and parcel of all the work that the mentors have done as well, because the mentors, whether they be craftsmen or engineers, are the people that the apprentices learn from. And if the apprentices are successful, and this award is a recognition of that, then it's really a recognition of all the effort that's been put on by the engineers, by Bob, and by the craftsmen that make the apprentice process the success that it's been.